Welcome back to the channel. Today, before the video starts, I'm actually editing the video now. This is like timeline reversed, backwards, all screwed up. But prior to making the video, now I've had a chance to look at the footage, and the GoPro footage I was hoping was gonna turn out really good for the sound clips is mediocre at best. Just going into this video, understand that I know that I'm working now to find a better solution so I can maybe make a second version of this video with a legit microphone hooked up to the exhaust, something very cool that's gonna sound much better, and something that's actually gonna do justice for the car. So I guess without further ado, let's just get into the video. Can we just take a quick second though to admire the Prelude? The thing has come such a long way in just like the 9 months I've had it. So sick. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So glad you're stopping back in. Today I've got the F30 with me, and I have been reading your comments and I'm gonna answer them in today's video. I know a lot of you have been asking for sound clips of the exhaust, of the engine, the N26, how it sounds being stage 2, full bolt on, like Catless, down pipe, straight pipe, the whole shebang. So today I've got the GoPro mounted up. I'm gonna get some shots here first, then maybe throw it up on the front fender so you guys can hear the engine. I'm just gonna get all sorts of shots, and I think it's gonna sound pretty cool. So just enjoy it, and I'll catch up with you guys when we're all done. What's up guys? Hope you enjoyed all the sound clips. I think the ones where I had it on the roof and the fender, I think it probably came out pretty crappy just with the wind, and I need to get a real mic set up in order to get actual footage for you. But you know what? I figure I have the GoPro and make use of it. But now we're at a car show up in, Jenna, where are we?
Salisbury, Massachusetts.
Yes, we're in Salisbury it's kind of a classic car show, but it's cool. We still showed out. We got the F30. This is, I just met Adam, his Jetta, turbo Jetta. I gotta back up for Corey's freaking truck because it's massive. And then if you look behind Corey's massive truck, we got the Audi. Freaking, you guys need to go over to his channel. His channel is That S5. Tell that dude, comment on all his videos to start making videos again, because this thing is sick. And last but not least, we got David's S3 parked up nice and clean. Shout out there. Yup, looking good. I'm not much of a muscle guy myself, but Who can't appreciate a nice cherry red Mustang? This thing is beautiful. Look at that, chrome windshield, chrome mirrors. Look at that steering wheel, he's got deep dish, and that's probably factory. So nice. Definitely a badass car. Bye. Look at this. Holy shit. Later. Peace out. Alright guys, it's been a hell of a long day. We're at Hampton Beach now and we're just chilling. Actually, Billy just checked his undercarriage because we hit some pretty gnarly bumps and I think he smacked it pretty hard. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. Hope you guys got something out of the sound clips. If you want different like clips or different scenarios or different angles, just put it down in the comments and let me know. But I'll catch up with you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Peace out.